How to disable mobile data for certain apps on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to Mobile Service as shown. From here, you can find out how much data you're using, set data restrictions, and manage carrier settings such as eSIM and Wi-Fi calling. Over here, turn on the mobile data switch. And then, scroll down and tap on Show All. You can view the apps along with their data usage over here. If you want to disable mobile data for any app from here, then go over to that app and turn off the switch. For example, Netflix. You have now successfully turned off mobile data usage for Netflix. You can repeat this to turn the option for other apps as well. Following these steps, you can easily disable mobile data for certain apps on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.